Light Bulb Moments here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So on this channel, what I do is I create videos that educate you on a number of aspects or areas. You can go through my playlist just to select an area that is of your interest. Basically, I give you your light bulb moments. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva, which is a graphic design tool that is free. You can create an account with them and you can be able to enjoy your graphic design. You can design your social media posts, you can design posters, you can design presentations, you can design your logos using this tool. And of course, if you want more advanced features, you would have to pay for the pro version of this particular tool. So today I'm going to show you how to design a logo. So when you log in, you're able to see recommended for you tab, all the designs that you've developed, your brand kit. You can create a team, you can check all your folders and also your trash. So let's go to recommended for you and select logo. So there's this logo here. So it gives you this blank page and you can fill it in, and also you can see a couple of free pages that you can use and edit them to your liking. So for example, I can select this one. So it's gonna, when I click on it, it's going to come here automatically and I can be able to begin editing it. So we can edit this. So let's say light bulb moments. Can change this also. Nairobi, Kenya. You want to change this image also, you can change it. Maybe come to shapes and look for something that you'd want to add there. So maybe let's search for a bulb. It says free. Make sure you select free items if you're using the free Canva. Otherwise, you'd need to try the Canva Pro, that would require you to create an account and put in your credit card details. So we can select this bulb here, place it over here. We can resize it to our liking. Can increase this to fill up the screen. We can even change the font color for this. Here, click on font, maybe select a green, dark green. Let's see how it looks. We can even change also the color for this. To that kind of a green. Can make it bold. Can make this one also bold if it's not bold. Actually, I think we should also change this color to match this other one. Just make sure everything is centered. You can see this pink line here that shows you that things are well centered. Yeah. So yeah, that's about it. We've created our own logo. If you want to view it, you can expand it here to full screen. And that's how our logo is gonna look like. So to save it, I would recommend that you save it as a PNG file. So you go here to under download, click on download and make sure that you selected PNG. Of course, there are a couple of other file formats. There's JPEG, there's PDF format, There's MP4 if for beta or a paid for version of Canva and GIF. So I would opt for PNG. So you make sure that is selected, and then you can click on download, and your file will prepare to download. And as it downloads, you can read the quote down there. So we can go and open, and your file has downloaded and it's ready for use. So another thing that you'd want to know is that you can be able to animate your logo by clicking on animate, and there are a couple of things here. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 options that are free, actually 6. These other ones with this icon here are paid for. So if you want to select block, that's how the effect that you'll get. Fade, pan, rise, tumble, and simple. Actually, rise, pan looks really good. So we can try and look at how it looks. So when you click on this play, you'll be able to see how it moves. Then you can download it again as a MP4 file, and you'll be able to view it. So when it's done downloading again, you can entertain yourself by reading this quote: "Creativity is intelligence, having fun." Yeah, you can be able to go to where you've saved your file and play it, and you can be able to watch it. And that's it. So I hope that you've enjoyed learning how to use Canva. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because it will encourage me to continue creating more content. I hope that this has been a light bulb moment for you. Goodbye.